Hey friends, it's Kelly and I am so excited today. I have some big news for you, but before I mention that, I wanted to share with you a recipe that I found. It's from Peas and Crayons. It's called Cranberry Blueberry Salad with Blueberry Balsamic Dressing. It is a very healthy, just refreshing side dish for summertime. When it's hot, you really don't feel like cooking and you just want something that's just tastes really good and just really refreshing and healthy. But before I get started making this recipe, I want to give a huge shout out to all my subscribers. And even if you haven't subscribed, but you've been following me on Facebook and Instagram, huge thank you all. I did reach 500 subscribers, and as I'm filming this, I am at 505. My next goal is 1,000 subscribers, but as promised, I have a giveaway. Mama Needs a Goal 500 subscriber giveaway. Please make sure you stay to the end of this video so you can see how to enter and what the rules are. I will be giving away a book called Coffee Talk. I've been reading this book and I absolutely love it. It's been helping me a lot, just getting myself into a different frame of mind. And I'm also giving away a gift card, either to Starbucks or to Dunkin' Donuts. It's your choice. You'll be receiving both of those. If you win, I will be picking one winner. So make sure you stay till the end. I will have everything explained at the end of this video. So again, thank you friends. I just cannot thank you enough for getting me to this point. I really do appreciate it. I love this YouTube journey that I am on. I've really been enjoying it and having a ball with it. And it wouldn't happen. I could not make it happen if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you. And I do want to show my appreciation with a giveaway. So with all that said, let's go ahead and quickly go over this recipe, all the ingredients that I'm going to make. I will link this recipe in the description box. Again, it's from Peas and Crayons, and Jen Laughlin, Laughlin, is the author of this. And I'm really excited to get started. So let me quickly go over all the ingredients. Okay, my friends, so the first thing I'm gonna do is make the dressing, and I'm just using my little NutriBullet because we do need to use like a blender, and I'm just using this because it's gonna be a lot easier. So for the dressing, it's called Blueberry Balsamic Dressing. So I'm going to be using avocado olive oil. It's a blend of avocado and extra virgin olive oil, but you can use just regular olive oil. Some balsamic vinegar, some red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, honey, pepper, and some salt, and some blueberries. And that is all you're gonna need for the dressing. And then for the actual salad itself, we're gonna be using some spring mix, an English cucumber, some dried cranberries. I have some mandarin oranges, unsalted roasted sunflower seeds, and blueberries. And that's it, friends. Not a lot of ingredients. Very simple and easy to make. So let's turn this camera down and get the salad made. Okay, we are going to start with our avocado oil. Move that to the side. I was almost getting ready to pour it in there. That would have been cute, huh? So I'm gonna pour that right in there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the balsamic vinegar. Should have put my glasses on. Sometimes I can't see what I'm doing. Okay. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add in some blueberries. Once again, friends, I almost added it in here. I probably should move this to the side before I end up doing that, because you know, it probably will happen. All right. We are now going to add our red wine vinegar. Dijon mustard. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Our honey. Oh my hands. Oh, goodness. Some salt. And pepper. All right, friends, that's simple. Now I can move this over here. Oh, can you imagine if I would have done that? I know I would have if I didn't move it. Now we're gonna go ahead and blend this all together. Get ready. All right. So I did notice that I made a mistake already. I blended all this together, and then I should have drizzled in the avocado oil after everything was done. Instead, I put it in with everything. So I'll make sure that I note that on the screen as well when I'm pouring it in there. So you guys don't do what I just did, but I think it's still gonna taste good. Oh, that smells good. You see that? Smells good. All right, that is it for the dressing. Oh, I can't believe I've done that, friends. You know, when I'm in the kitchen, you never know what you're gonna get. I think we all know that. All right, let's put this aside, and then let's go ahead and get everything put together for our salad. All right, so I have my spring mix in the bowl. I already chopped up my English cucumber. Put that in there like that. Oops, throwing it out. Just gonna gently toss it with clean hands. Like that. Gonna go ahead and add my dried cranberries. My blueberries. Oops, runaway blueberry. Toss. Add my sunflower seeds. And lastly, my mandarin oranges. I don't want to dump this in because even though I drained it, there's still some juice in there. So I don't want to dump that in. Okay, let's do a quick toss. I'm gonna go ahead, plate a little bit of this up and add my dressing, give it a little taste test. All right, my friends, there is the salad. And what I like about using this, it has that little spout on it. So let's do a quick little drizzle. Oh, look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, look at that, friends. All right, let's do a quick taste test. right, my friends, so here it is. Let's give it a quick taste. Oh, dropping sunflower seeds on the floor. Didn't get much, just had lettuce. Mmm. Mmm. I like. Mmm. Mmm. Really taste that balsamic vinegar. Mmm. I like this. This is very good. I know what I'm taking for lunch today. Very, very good. Really like that a lot. So friends, please make sure you stick around. So I'm gonna share a few pictures of the up close of the salad, and then we're gonna get head into the Mama Needs a Goal 500 subscriber giveaway. Please make sure that you listen and read all the instructions on what you need to do to enter this giveaway. It's very, very specific. So friends, thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. And again, a huge, huge thank you for helping me reach my 500 subscriber goal. I greatly appreciate it. If you are watching this video and you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. My next goal is 1,000 subscribers, and when we hit 1,000, there will be another giveaway, and it will be a much larger giveaway than this one. Don't forget to hit the little like button. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. And by the way, I will be putting down my Facebook link and Instagram link, because when I pick a winner, I keep saying winter, when I pick a winner, I will be commenting on your comment in YouTube, but I also will be sharing the winter. Really? I will also be sharing the winner on Facebook and Instagram as well. I want to make sure that you see it. But again, all that information will be at the end of the video. So friends, thanks again. I truly, truly am thankful and grateful for you all. I'll see you next time. Bye. And now it's time for Mama Needs a Goal 500 subscriber giveaway. Contest period. When will it begin and end? Mama Needs a Goal 500 subscriber giveaway begins on May the 24th, 2022 at 12:01 a.m. Eastern Time and ends on June the 7th, 2022 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. Prize. What will you win? A copy of the Coffee Self-Talk paperback book, your choice of either the Coffee Self-Talk or the Coffee Self-Talk for Dudes, and a $25 gift card to Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts. It's your choice. Eligibility to enter. Giveaway is open only to legal residents of Canada, excluding residents of Quebec, the 50 United States, and the District of Columbia who have reached the legal age of majority in their jurisdiction of residence at the time of this entry. The odds of winning. The odds of winning the prize depend on the number of eligible entries submitted and received in accordance with these rules. Now, how to enter. Comment on this YouTube video only. It's called Healthy and Refreshing Cranberry Blueberry Salad. You will not be entered in the giveaway if you comment on my Facebook or Instagram page. The comment must be made in YouTube and on this video only. More than one comment will not increase your chances of winning. While you're commenting, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future giveaways. You do not need to be subscribed for a chance to win. Eligible winner confirmation process. No one is a winner until Mama Needs a Goal officially confirms him or her as the winner in accordance with the rules. CommentPicker.com will be used to select the winner. The winner will be asked to email or text Mama Needs a Goal with their name, mailing information, and prize preference. In return, Mama Needs a Goal will send a code word to the email or text provided. Winner will then go to their original comment on this video and edit their comment with the code word. Once verification has been made, Mama Needs a Goal will send out the prize. Your personal information will only be used for this giveaway. Not sponsored. This giveaway is not sponsored by YouTube, Amazon, author Kristen Helmstetter, Peas and Crayons, author Jen Laughlin, Starbucks, or Dunkin' Donuts. Mama Needs a Goal is fully responsible for this giveaway. Thank you. Without all of you, I would never have achieved this milestone. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you, thank you, thank you.